Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2019 Ram 1500 in the Bighorn trim. With just under 84,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 gas engine. It is 4-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Ram well equipped with high-intensity headlights and LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap. And on the reverse side, we can see that those mirrors are heated. You'll also enjoy nice features like passive door entry and remote start. And looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with some dark ash elements here with some nice fabric, some off-white stitching. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Ram. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats with premium cloth upholstery. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires range from 7 to 11/30 seconds, plenty of tread life left on those, and the brake pads are good to go. And everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we do all of the wearables, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they'll also enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console, USB and USB-C charging with pockets on the back of the seats. And if we look down below, on either side, you will have Ram storage bins. Up top here in the back seat, you will notice this vehicle is equipped with your fold-down cup holder armrest and your rear sliding glass. And coming around to the 5.5-foot bed, you will see a Line-X brand spray-in bed liner with a retractable bed cover. Back by the tailgate here, you'll see this Ram is equipped with your high-definition rear camera, your dual exhaust, and all of your towing equipment, and rear proximity sensors. And your towing equipment will include your 4- and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power door locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. And that also does include power folding options as well, which is a really nice option for the Bighorn trim. General lamp selector here with a brightness and dimming controller for your interior and cluster lighting, and down below you will have an electronic parking brake and power adjustable foot pedals. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Just to the right of the steering wheel, you will have your push button start, and as we can see, just under 84,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have a selector for that center screen, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right, you'll have some cruise control selections, followed up with your manual gear select. Bringing our attention to our infotainment system and display. But first up top, you will have a little bit of storage here with a 12-volt outlet. Now, as far as audio is concerned, here you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. You can even access your climate controls right on the screen along with your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. And you can download your apps all through the Uconnect. You can even access your backup camera without engaging in reverse. You can do so right here with your dial style shifter here, followed up with your 4-wheel drive selections. Let's go back to the middle. You will have some hard buttons for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel with some simple radio controls with your 4-ways right in the middle. Followed up with your simple climate controls here, and down below you'll have options for your traction control on and off. Additionally, you will have a tow haul mode, and you can turn those front and rear proximity sensors on and off. Down below you'll have a spot for your CD player, USB, USB-Cs, and an auxiliary for alternative audio. This is what I call the mega console here, so a lot of versatility here with this center console. You can put your phone right here, your charger gets connected right to here, so you have the option to slide that up or slide it back. 2 cup holders, coin dispenser here, and you will have a nice deep storage console here. Oh, well, this is the upper portion here, so you have an upper portion for documents like your registration and any other documents you'd like to keep in there, a USB outlet, and then down below a nice open area with some extra pieces there that we need to attach apparently. Okay, bringing our attention up top, you will have integrated garage door openers. You can program up to 3. And here you have options for your powered rear sliding glass. So tons of comfort and convenience features packed into this Bighorn Ram. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. No corrosion on the battery terminal or anything like that. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now guys, if you're still with me here on the video, this Ram might just be for you. So this portion of the video, listen up here guys. We're gonna go over any dings, dents, imperfections you may or may not find on this particular Ram. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, we have a nice white clear coat. You will have some blemishes here on the front of the hood, some small stone chips. Your grille embellishments here, your chrome embellishments are in great shape. Headlights are nice and clear, no fading or discoloration, along with your fog lights and no dents or dings here in the front bumper, and your high gloss black grille inserts are in great shape as well. Okay, you are going to have some wear and tear from the road. Here in the front, as you can see, some slight scuffs and paint chips. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, great shape guys. No curb rash on that wheels, and that coating is in good shape. No peeling or anything like that. All the way up to your badging, same deal, very good shape. Okay, your mirror cap here, as you can see, a little bit of wear and tear from the road, but no fading, no discoloration. You have some paint chips here on the passenger side door handle, but your chrome embellishment is in great shape, and your outer door trim pieces are in good shape as well. No fading, no discoloration. We are here at the passenger side door card, and as you can see, super clean, no rip stains, tears, or anything like that. All the way into your glove box and your trims that surrounds all that. Your brushed aluminum, very good shape, no rip stains, tears, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. Okay. You see a spot right here on the left side bolster on the passenger side seat. That's probably the only spot I do see. A little bit here, otherwise pretty clean as far as cloth seats are concerned. Coming around to the back seat here, I'm looking for rips or tears in the backing of the seats. Pretty clean as you can see. Okay, nice clean carpets. Of course, you have your Ram storage bins here. All your trim surrounding your flow-through center console, great shape. Not a lot of scuffs or anything like that. Here you will see some minor discoloration within the back seats, otherwise very clean. Here at the back of the bed, now you do have a heavy duty retractable bed cover here. You have some paint chips on that unit, on that piece of equipment back there. Here we're at the passenger side bed, paint chip there. Very clean underneath, no curb rash on that wheel. Let's go around and take a look at these tail lights, guys. Very clear, no cracks, no condensation. All your badging is in great shape. No dents or dings to the rear bumper. You are going to have some scuffs around your tailgate here, around the latch. And then you are going to have some deep scarring here on the top of your tailgate on that trim piece. Coming up the driver's side, so far no dents or dings to the vehicle body. We do like to take care of those before we list these vehicles. Down below here, we're at the left side on the driver's side wheel here, no curb rash on there. All the way down to your cab corners and rockers. Now right here, just below that body line there, there's a paint chip. Again, we are on the driver's side. And down below here on your rockers, you can see a paint chip right there. You have a small touch-up spot right here on the body line of your driver's side door, and some minor cosmetic blemishes. There is one more spot that I wanted to point out to you guys. Here on the passenger side, right by your door, you're going to have some paint chips right here, so that is starting to peel right there, as you can see. So if you have any questions on this Ram, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can just shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com, and make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Ram will qualify. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.